Welcome back to the channel everyone, where we bring you the latest car news, honest reviews, and future-ready insights. If you love compact cars that are easy on the pocket and perfect for daily driving, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic small cars making a strong comeback, the Maruti Alto 800 2026. Let's dive in and see what's new, what's improved, and why this little car still matters. The Maruti Alto has always been known as the people's car, and the 2026 Alto 800 continues that legacy with a modern twist. At first glance, the new Alto looks more confident and refined than before. The design stays simple but gets sharper lines, a refreshed front grille, sleeker headlamps, and a slightly sportier bumper. The compact size remains unchanged, which is great for city driving, tight parking spaces, and crowded streets. New color options and subtle styling updates give it a fresh personality without losing its familiar charm. Step inside the Maruti Alto 800 2026, and you'll notice how much effort Maruti has put into making the cabin feel more modern. The dashboard design is cleaner, with better quality materials compared to older models. There's a redesigned instrument cluster that's easier to read, along with a new touchscreen infotainment system in higher variants. This system supports smartphone connectivity, making music, navigation, and calls more convenient than ever. The seats are improved for better comfort, especially for daily commutes, and there's smart use of space to make the cabin feel airy despite the compact dimensions. Under the hood, the 2026 Alto 800 continues with a reliable and fuel-efficient engine setup. Maruti focuses on practicality here, offering a refined petrol engine that delivers smooth performance for city use. It's not built for speed, but it's perfect for everyday driving, short trips, and traffic-heavy routes. The engine is tuned to meet the latest emission norms while maintaining excellent mileage, which has always been a strong point of the Alto. For buyers who prioritize low running costs, this car still makes a lot of sense. When it comes to driving experience, the Maruti Alto 800 2026 feels light, easy, and stress-free. The steering is responsive, making U-turns and narrow roads effortless. Suspension tuning is improved to handle bumps and uneven roads more comfortably, which is especially important for urban and semi-urban conditions. Whether you're a new driver or someone looking for a simple second car, the Alto remains extremely user-friendly. Safety has also seen a noticeable upgrade in the 2026 model. Maruti has added essential safety features such as dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders as standard. The body structure is strengthened to meet updated safety regulations, offering better peace of mind for families and first-time buyers. While it's still a budget-friendly hatchback, Maruti has clearly focused on making it safer than ever before. One of the biggest reasons the Alto continues to dominate is affordability. The Maruti Alto 800 2026 is expected to remain one of the most budget-friendly cars in its segment. Low maintenance costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and Maruti's widespread service network make ownership extremely easy and economical. This is a car designed for students, small families, and anyone looking for a reliable daily companion without financial stress. In conclusion, the Maruti Alto 800 2026 proves that small cars still have a big role to play. With updated styling, improved interiors, better safety, and unbeatable efficiency, it continues to be a smart choice for millions of buyers. If you're looking for a simple, practical, and trustworthy car, the new Alto 800 deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.